Hi guys, it's Fiani from Creations by Favi. Welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today I want to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started. I grabbed those Happy Easter signs with the little squares and a egg on the bottom. I think they're really cute and you can do a lot of things with. So I grabbed 4 of those. I got this little cute bunny. I think you already saw this one in so many DIYs the people's been doing, and I have some ideas for. I also got this cute sign. To me this is new. I don't know if I'm wrong, but to me it's new, or at least at my local Dollar Tree. So I grabbed 4 of those. I have some ideas with, and I can't wait to use it. So I also grabbed this welcome sign with the little cute bunnies on it. They're beautiful as it is, but as you guys know that I will work with something else. So I grabbed 4 of them. So they're really nice birds because you can create so many things with just paint it and create whatever you want. And what about this cute guy? I was looking for this one and lucky me, I found only one. That was for me. So I got this one, and oh my goodness, I can't wait to use it because I have an idea, cute idea coming up with this guy. And what about this? I found those. I think you guys already know this one in other channel, but I was so happy that I grabbed 6. Don't blame me. I was so excited, and yeah, I can't wait. Like I say, I have so many ideas in my mind that sometimes my head got like so yeah, I'm really excited about this, and these ones are a little bit longer compared with the love sign from Valentine. Now with the frames, I got those frames. To me they're new. Like I say, I might wrong, but I haven't seen these ones before and I got so excited. So unfortunately the brown one, it was only 2, so I grabbed only 2. So but the white ones I grabbed 4, and I'm so excited because I have some ideas with. And this one, this is my first time and was the only one. Like, it was all in the back. I think somebody hid it. And this one I had before a DIYs with. I found only one, so I grabbed one. About these little mirrors, those are not new, but I have some ideas with. And about this 8x10 frame, I'm really excited about it because it looks really nice. You can leave it the way it is because it's beautiful. Doesn't look like a Dollar Tree frame, if that makes sense. Yeah, I really like it, and I have some ideas with. And this frame, to me, it is new. Like I say, I might wrong, but this one to me is new. I haven't seen this one before, or I don't know. I found this one and I thought, oh god, I need this one. So here I have another cute little thing. So here I got these charger plates. I have seen before another ones with the little dots on the edges that I have in different colors, but this one is plain and it's kind of cute, and I have some ideas. I got this little storage container. They can sit 6 on the package, and yeah. And what about these cute stickers? You can do a lot of DIYs with these guys. I love it. I think they're really nice, and I can't wait to use it. In the party section, I found those banners. I was like, no way, I haven't seen this one before. Or if these things were not new, they're not new, I don't know. But I haven't seen it, and I was so excited when I saw it. I'm like, what? So I want to grab more, but that's all they have. So I grabbed two of them. The bolas are my favorite. If you've been following me, you know that I love to do garlands partner with for every season. So yeah, I was so excited about it. So I also grabbed those moss stones. Some ideas coming up. Just stay tuned. And I also, oh my gosh, when I saw this one, I was so excited, literally, because I see so many DIYs using those sheets, and I'm like, what? I cannot find it. So finally, I found it. I grabbed 6 of those. So excited. And what about this cute container? Those are adorable. They're just so little. They're like my hand size. Oh my gosh, they were so adorable. So I have some ideas with I can't wait to use it. I also grabbed some of this chalkboard wood sticks, something like that they call. I don't know. And yes, they come for on the package, and I was so excited. So yeah, I can't wait, like I say many times already, because I'm so excited about these items that I got this time. Some pearls. I was looking for the little ones, but I found the big one, but that's okay. I will use it, that's for sure. I also found these other stickers, and this one definitely I was looking for those because I do have some ideas for Easter with these ones, and I can't wait. So yeah, I know I'm kind of late with the Easter DIYs, but things happens and I haven't been able to do so many DIYs. I also grabbed some buttons, and this little cute guy, I was looking for the truck, but I didn't find the truck. Some gems, you guys know that I don't really use much bling or glam things, but I found those because I have some ideas. So there's these little balls, I don't know the name of those. And I cannot be more excited about this cross. I was looking directly for this one. I have seen another ones like have like ceramic look, but this one I was so excited. Some 20. And for flowers this time, I just grabbed those because I have so many flowers that I didn't even know what to do with. And also these ones are not new. But I was so excited about the jump rope because I had seen so many DIYs with, and I wasn't able to find it, but I found it this time. I don't know exactly the name of these ones. I think they're like candlesticks, or I don't know, for dessert. I don't know. I don't know exactly. I think they're candlesticks. So I got so excited because I found 3 different sizes, and I was, what? Yes, I'm so excited about this, like I say so many times. So yeah, I got some thumbtacks and also some push pins. And of course, ribbon. I was looking for the lace ribbon, but I didn't find it. So anyway, I grabbed different colors, like neutral colors that I really like to use on my projects. I found those. I think they're really cute, and I definitely will be using them. I grabbed 3 of those little baskets, like oval shape. This one doesn't have the handles, but they're really cute, and I have a project coming up with us. I have used before the other ones with the little handle. If you haven't seen that video, I had those baskets on my channel already. And this one is a special gift for my friend Maria from Crafted with Maria. She made this beautiful DIY, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's just so sweet that she sent it to me, and I was like, oh, really thank you Maria for this And she also surprised me. I placed it on my kitchen. They look so beautiful. And she also sent to me something else that I was like, oh my gosh, girl. You know that I was looking for. So she sent to me those little windmills that I was looking for. And oh god. So she sent to me 5. So definitely I have project coming up with those windmills. So excited about it. And that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, comment and share. So see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.